Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Probable with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. The disclaimer for this broadcast is whatever stocks we discuss are intended only for educational purpose, should not be taken as an investment advice. It's very important to gauge the market. So one of the key parameters to look into is price volume action of Nifty. It gives an overview of how the market is placed at the current moment. Tracking key moving averages is another key parameter one should track. So looking into Nifty's price volume action, you can see Nifty advanced higher for the last 4 trading sessions. Only one of the trading session had above average volume. All the other 3 trading sessions had below average trading volumes. Recently, you can see there are very few trading sessions which have above average volumes. So that indicates there is no major activity happening in the markets. The volumes have come down sharply. With respect to moving averages, Nifty is currently trading above its major key moving averages, 2150, 200, 100 as well. 100 DMA is a pink DMA, which is a newly reclaimed moving average. So currently Nifty is trading above its major key moving averages, which is a very positive sign on the bullish side. And there are no major resistance going forward, even though there is some kind of overhead supply for the market. And these levels, 18,200 and 130, which acted as a resistance earlier, might also act as might give some resistance to the Nifty advancement. Otherwise, there are no major levels of resistance. Also, currently earnings season is going on, and a few major companies have already reported their earnings. IT results were not so good. If you look at sector wise, and IT stocks have also fallen sharply because of that. Nifty also came under slightly under pressure because of IT stocks. Currently, few other companies, banks are reporting good set of numbers, and if the index heavyweight stocks they report good set of numbers, then definitely Nifty will advance higher. Coming to O'Neill's perspective, we are still in a rally attempt. We have been waiting for follow-through session on the Nifty index to change the market status to confirm the uptrend. Until then, we'll be continue to be in the rally attempt. However, we have been adding stocks to model portfolio. The stocks which are giving strong buy points, which are fundamentally very strong and technically which are giving good buy points, we are considering them for addition. We have also made up a buy watch list of stocks which are forming right side of base patterns or which are in good position at the current moment. When the market improves, when these stocks come to ideal buy zone, then we'll be considering them for addition as well. Coming to the stocks which are in news, major news are stocks reporting their earnings. Axis Bank, a major player in the private sector banking in India, has come up with their March quarter results. Net interest income has increased 33% year-on-year basis to 11,000 crores, which is a positive sign. However, it has reported a loss. This is because of the company's acquisition of Citibank India's consumer business. Otherwise, if you exclude this Citibank's buying, then the profit would be around 6,600 crores. For the corresponding quarter last year, the company has reported a profit of 4,100 crores. So overall, the bank has done good in the last one quarter. Wipro, a leading IT sector company, has come up with their results for the March quarter. If you see, the revenue for the quarter declined 0.2% sequentially to 23,000 crores. PAT increased 0.7%, which is not a major number, big number, again sequentially to 3,000 crores. Within the Wipro company, IT services business have increased 0.7%. Also, the company has the board of directors have approved a share buyback of nearly 12,000 crores of rupees at a share price of 445 rupees. Tech Mahindra, another company related to IT services, the company clearly missed their consensus estimates both on revenue and PAT front. Revenue fell 0.1% sequentially to 13,000 crores. Profit on the other side fell nearly 14% sequentially to 1,100 crores of rupees. Godrej Consumer acquired FMCG business of Raymond Consumer Care for nearly 2,800 crores of rupees. The deal is expected to be completed by May 10th. So these are the major companies which have come up with their results or which are in news and which will be under radar in the today's trading session. And coming to today's earnings, SBI Cars, L&T Finance Holdings, Ramkrishna Forgings, Tata Metallics, Ultratech Cement are the major companies, and there are other few companies which will be coming up with their March quarter results. So if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, please be watchful, and there might be some volatile moves happening in these stocks. Overnight, US market closed pretty much higher. I can say almost 2% higher. Dow Jones 1.6, S&P nearly 2%. Nasdaq, which is a heavyweight of tech heavyweight index, has closed 2.4% higher. Asian markets on the other side are taking positive cues from the US market. The major three indices which we tracked in the Asian markets, Kospi, Nikkei, Shanghai, all three are trading in green territory, which are trading 0.42, 0.7, 0.8% higher, which is a positive sign. So overall, the global cues are very much on the positive front. So one can expect India opening also on the positive side. Same is reflected in the SGX Nifty as well. SGX Nifty trading above 18,000 level, and the opening level is sustained, and if there is any follow buying happening in the index, definitely we can see a follow through session happening in the today's trading session, because the overall global cues are very strong and the companies have Axis Bank reported a good set of numbers. So if there is any good positive outcome from the banking stocks, then Nifty might advance higher. For the chart of the day, we picked ABB India, which has been in our buy watch list. The stock is trading near its pivot of saucer stage 2 saucer with handle base pattern. Currently, it is trading 1% below its pivot. So 1% move higher, then the stock will come to ideal buy zone range, which is a blue area here. This is the ideal buy range. And the volumes have also been slightly near average volumes. So on the day of addition, we would like to see a good amount of volume. Above average volumes are ideal. Coming to ratings wise, the stock is very good. A master score of 81, which is an accumulation of both the fundamental and technical ratings. EPS of 79 indicates a strong fundamental rating. Return on equity wise also, the stock is doing very good. Technical parameters are much more stronger. Price strength of 82, A by D rating of A are a very positive signs. Another key parameter, which is the number of funds, the company has been able to attract new institutional funds each quarter for the last 4 quarters, which is a positive sign. Also, if you look at these earnings box here in the bottom, you can see clearly the stock has been very good canceling stock. It has a very good growth story, both on sales wise and profit wise. The stock is able to generate good amount of growth rates. So perfect contender for addition. And if there is any good action happening in the stock, we might consider this stock for addition. If we have this stock, you can continue to hold it. You can keep a few points below 50 DMA as a stop loss. Until then, you can continue to hold the stock. Thanks for joining.